Hello everyone, welcome back to Noel Crafts. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to crochet the ribbing on your crochet items. And when I say the ribbing, it's like this part here, the ribbing on the cuffs of a sweater or anything, either the waistline of a sweater. This part is what I'm talking about, the ribbed part. I'm going to show you how to crochet this part so that it ends up stretchy. As you can see, my sample here is just a cuff of a sweater, the arm of a sweater that is in progress. But let's get to it. It's very simple, it's not complicated, so do not be scared. For this tutorial we are going to use any yarn, and make sure you use the recommended hook. So let's get started. Our first step, we are going to make a slip stitch or a foundation chain. So you can easily do this, then turn it around, and there you have your foundation stitch. After this, crochet a chain 20 stitches. Our 20 stitches are done, and this is how it looks. From here we are going to crochet single crochet stitches to the end of our chain. So skip the first stitch, this one here, and in the stitch that follows, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 2 stitches on your hook, crochet through the 2 stitches. That's a single crochet stitch. So continue like this to the end of the chain. At the end of my chain, and this is how our first row of single crochet stitches look. From here we are going to crochet 1 stitch like this, then turn your project around. This is where the changes are going to come in. So if you hold your project like this, you can see something like a chain running at the back of your project. So we are going to take 1 loop of that chain, and this is the one that we are going to be using. We are using that, we will use that, we will use that. These back loops of the chain are the ones that we are going to use. So insert your hook in one of the loops, then yarn over, pull through. You'll have 2 stitches on your hook, crochet through the 2 stitches. We are going to repeat the back loop of that chain, insert your hook, then yarn over, pull through. You'll have the 2 stitches on your hook, then crochet through the 2 stitches. So the only thing that changed here is that we are using these back loops, but the stitch remains, the single crochet stitch remains. So continue like this to the end of that row. The back loops only. I'm at the end of my row, and this is how my project looks. It has started forming the ribbings, but at this early stage you may not see them clearly. So let's make 1 more row. Crochet 1 stitch, then turn your project around. We are going to do what we just did. We are going to work in the back loops only. So in that back loop, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, just like we did, then crochet through the 2 stitches. Repeat in the back loop. We are just going to keep repeating for the entire project, crocheting in the back loops only, and we are using the single crochet stitch. I'm at the end of my row, and this is how my project looks. So continue like this, just like we've been doing before you start a new row. crochet one stitch, then turn your project around. Then in the back loops, you start crocheting your single crochet stitches. You'll start seeing your ribbings forming. We are only crocheting in the back loops only. That's how we'll get our ribbing. So continue like this until you have enough length. If you are making the curves of the sleeves, you'll see the ribbings done in, and I'll show you when mine reach at that stage. After a couple of rows, this is how my ribbing look, and this is how yours should look. So this is how those beautiful ribbing you see at the bottom of a sweater or on the curves of a sweater are done when it's a project. So I hope you learned something. Until next time, remember to subscribe to my channel, and bye.